I gotta be doing this time with video. And none of my friends are offline, bro. Cause I don't know what video I should do with. Bro, no one's online except John09099090. That's my PlayStation account. And this is my account. And this is my friend. And I put it on Joel the Kid. Cause for some reason he can't put his name. So I gotta tell you, if I beat it at first try, you all have to like and subscribe. If I beat it at first try, you all have to like and subscribe. If I beat this at first try, bro, you have to, all of y'all have to like and subscribe right now. Done. Bro, I'm literally gonna beat it in first try, bro. I swear, I'm literally gonna beat it in first try. Bro, I'm so close. I am so close. I am so close. Yes! I'm in. Oh, okay. I beat it in first try. So, yeah, you all have to like and subscribe. 2, 1. You all just like and subscribe? Check. Yeah. Thank you. What are they doing? They're trying to get to the course. Oh my god, a lot of people are struggling. There are a lot of people are struggling. And one more round and then I'm done, cause YouTube usually allows like a little bit short videos and long videos. If I made it at first try again, you all have to share it. You all have to share this with your friends or brother. What just happened? For some reason, one of my apps, one of my Apple stores sent me a note. Yep. Done. Video done. Wait, what's my outro? Oh, so bye guys. So see you in the next video. This is my new outro, by the way. This is my new outro.